Listen closely, because what I'm about to share with you might change the way you look at money forever. And it all begins with one moment, one click, and one single dollar. Have you ever wondered how people, ordinary people, earn money online every single day? Not influencers, not tech geniuses, just people like you. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning, rubbing your eyes, checking your phone, and seeing $500 sitting in your account. Money you earned while you slept. What would you do? How would that feel? Let me take you back to the day I made my very first dollar online. It didn't come with fireworks. It didn't come with a celebration. It came with a notification, a tiny ding, a single moment that felt like the world shifted under my feet. I remember sitting in a small room, the lights dim, fan humming quietly, laptop glowing like a doorway to another universe. My hands were shaking, not from fear, but from hope. Hope that maybe, just maybe, this would work. I hit publish and waited. Seconds passed. Minutes crawled. And then, that one notification. $1 earned. Most people would laugh at a single dollar. But I didn't. Because that dollar wasn't money. It was proof. Proof that online earning was real. Proof that I could do it. And if I could, you can too. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how people earn money online, step by step, in ways so simple and practical that you could start today, even right after this audio ends. So let's begin. Step 1. Pick one simple online earning method. Close your eyes for a moment and picture yourself sitting at your desk. Your phone on one side, your notebook on the other, your mind sharp, focused, ready. You choose a method. Just one. Here are 3 simple ones anyone can start. Method A. Microtasks. These are tiny online jobs. Things like labeling images, answering short questions, or checking information. Tasks that take seconds and pay instantly. You don't need skills. You don't need experience. You just need a screen and a few minutes. Method B. Selling digital services. Imagine offering something simple, like writing captions, removing background from photos, creating small logos, or proofreading. You open a freelance site, you create a profile, you post your first $5 gig. It feels small, but small steps create big paths. Method C. Reselling. You find a digital product people want, wallpapers, templates, checklists, and sell on platforms that handle everything automatically. You upload once, and your work earns for you again and again. Pick the one that feels easiest. Not perfect, just easy. Step 2. Take one action today. Now imagine you're taking that first action. Clicking sign up. Typing your name. Saving your password. You're not earning yet, but you've already moved closer than most people ever will. Maybe you create your first gig. Maybe you complete your first micro task. Maybe you upload your first digital file. It doesn't matter how small the action is. Small actions compound into unstoppable momentum. Every great online earner started here, with one tiny, almost invisible step. Step 3. Repeat it tomorrow. Here's the secret. Online earning is not magic. It is momentum. You show up again tomorrow. You complete 5 more micro tasks. Or you improve your gig. Or you upload a second product. Every day, you build a tiny brick. And without even realizing it, you're building a wall of income. A wall that protects you, that frees you, that gives you choices. Step 4. Scale what works. One day, it might be in a week or a month, you'll notice something. You're faster. You're smarter. You're better. Maybe your gig gets its first order. Maybe your digital product gets downloaded. Maybe your micro tasks add up to real money. This is the moment where you scale. You take what works and you multiply it. One gig becomes 5. One product becomes 10. $1 becomes 100. Now, let me ask you one more question. What if today, right now, becomes the moment you look back on and say, that was the day everything changed? Not because you made $1, but because you believed you could make it. You don't need luck. You don't need perfection. You just need a beginning. And today, right here, right now, your beginning is waiting. Are you ready?